Hi, this video is about the basic information of our drawing tool pencil. It is our primary tool for drawing and shading. Before we use them, it is better to know them in details. Let us also talk about other basic materials required for drawing activity. This will help us to choose the right kind of things for any artwork we decide to do. For drawing and painting any kind of artwork, material is very important. Basic material we use to start with sketchbooks and pencils. When we talk about drawing, our main material is sketchbook and pencil. First of all, we need to understand the paper we are using. Common sketchbooks are available in the market, A4 and A3. Even bigger size is available. Let us see the normal things which can be taken from any nearby shop. So what kind of sketchbooks we should use? Let us see. There are few common sketchbooks with simple papers, drawing papers we can find in the market. One is this is A4 size and very commonly available in the nearby market. The pages in this sketchbook is not very high quality, but it is good for simple drawing, layout making. It has very fine grain. It is not very suitable for shading as such, but for simple drawing practice it is useful, and the size is A4. This is for the beginner who does not have any kind of experience in drawing, because the standard size A4 will be not very difficult for a beginner. And then comes this size. This is bigger than A4 but not exactly A3. This is with good quality paper, and we can feel the grain here. If we touch the paper, we can feel the grain in it. This particular sketchbook is suitable for pencil drawing as well as pen drawing and watercolor, any kind of medium. For beginners only we can use it. It has better pages than the previous one. It's artist quality, and it has better grains for using shading pencils, for some kind of good practice and for our creative development. This is A3 size sketchbook, 130 GSM it is written, and it has very good papers. It is artist quality, and if we touch we can find very good texture. And this particular sketchbook can be used for any kind of artistic work using mediums like pencils, watercolor, even acrylic on paper and mixed media. Anything is suitable on this paper. Really artistic achievement we can get using this kind of paper. Beyond this sketchbook concept, we can even use some special drawing books for our artistic achievement. This is one of my favorite sketchbook. It is made of handmade sheets, and it has a brick tint, and I use it for my pen and ink work. It is very small in size, and it has tinted pages, handmade pages, and I generally use for pen and ink drawing, mixed media work with this paper. This paper particularly we can use in such a way that we can keep this background color, use it for our creative purpose, and definitely the texture helps. And it is not for watercolor, so we can use pencil color on it and pen and ink drawing, and other materials like dry pastels, oil pastels, so mixed media kind of work we can make it. But definitely I would prefer, as an artist, this background color will be the part of my work. It will not be covered completely with the color or other drawing or painting materials I use on it, because I love the texture and color of this original paper. So this way also we can select our support material. Actually paper is known as support because paper is the base on which we work. This is another kind of sketchbook. This is also smaller than A4 and bigger than A5. It also has some kind of tint. It is different from the previous one, and I prefer pen and ink drawing and mixed media on it, keeping the background as a part of my work. It can be useful for shading, color work, pen and ink work, any experimental artwork we can do, and using the background color. That is why these kind of sketchbooks are favorite for artists. So this is artist choice sketchbook, you can say. And other thing we use for daily drawing, this is made of handmade paper, very small size drawing book which can be used for daily drawing. But these pages, especially the pages in this small sketchbook, is very much useful for pen drawing. So these are the many things, many ideas we can apply to our artwork and to our simple drawing work. Actually drawing sounds not like painting. Sometimes it seems that drawing is not a complete artwork, but that is a wrong idea. Drawing can be also a complete artwork for an artist. So selecting paper, selecting pencil or selecting any other tool is very, very, very significant to do something in art. Now we talk about different kind of pencils. Generally we find many kinds of pencil in our market. Let us see how many kinds of pencil we can find in the market. So this is extra dark pencil. It does not have any number as such, but very good pencil for initial shading work. And this is common HP pencil. These are all common Nataraj, this Indian brand pencil. This is writing pencil mainly. They are not for drawing, but small children, they draw, and sometimes layouts and drawing also we can practice using this pencil. This is also HP pencil, but good quality, Faber-Castell. This is drawing pencil, shading pencil. This is Indian brand Apsara pencil. This is also Indian brand Camlin pencil, and this is Staedtler pencil, which is the best around the world. Particularly Apsara pencil, Indian brand Apsara pencil is very good for shading work. If we can't buy the Staedtler pencil, which is quite costly, we can use Apsara pencil, which is Indian brand, and it is cheaper. So you can buy a set of Apsara pencil. This is specific for shading. Whole group of pencil it is a Staedtler company, best company as I told before, and we can find HB to 6B in this box. So all pencils together you can use for shading. This is 6B pencil of Liberty. It is imported pencil. It's very good quality, and darkness and softness is amazing. There was a pencil once upon a time, Kohinoor company, which was again very good pencil, but presently I don't see this brand in the market. So we found there are so many pencils in the market easily available, and some pencils you have to search for, like Staedtler is not available everywhere because it is costly, so in local shops they don't keep, but art material shop you will find this pencil. Now the main significant point is choosing the right pencil for our specific work. That is the most important thing we learn through practice. With paper cutter or pencil cutter, whatever you call it, this is used for drawing pencil. For HB writing pencil, we can use normal sharpener, and any kind of good eraser we can take for our drawing job to be done. These names are important, the good quality and normal quality. So you have to know that what kind of pencil exactly we need for one artwork we decide to do. Drawing pencil means we can go directly to 2B. My favorite pencil is 2B because we can start any drawing with 2B. If we know the details about it, it is easy to use, and we can use it in perfect way. Now let us know about the numbers or grades of the pencil, and this knowledge will help us to select the right pencil for our work. First of all, let us know the terms like H and B. I already told that the range of pencils are available in the market. Most commonly HB, and then 2B, 3B. It continues till 10B or even 12B. Now what is H and what is B? We have to understand about it. H stands for hard and B stands for black. Hard, it is understandable from the term itself that it is hard pencil, and B comes from blackness, and it is actually a symbol of soft pencils. So blackness is more and the tone is softer, so black stands for that kind of quality. So H with combination of little bit blackness, HB, is the common pencil which is meant to be for normal use writing. Even we can use for drawing, but it is technically not a drawing pencil. So this is HB pencil. So let us imagine this way, that HB comes in the center, which is used for writing, and this side we have to imagine the B group pencil, and this side H group pencil. H group numbers are increasing, it is gradually harder, and the lead or graphite in the pencil is thinner and thinner gradually. It is going that way. And the B group pencil similarly, 2B, 3B, as the number is increasing, it is becoming softer and it gives more blackness. And these B group pencils are for artistic use, shading work and any kind of creative work we do with all these B group pencils. I have maximum grade, that is 10B, and as we can see, take a closer look, the graphite is thick and it is darker when we use it, and the HB is comparatively only line work and only writing work as I did here. And the hard pencil I actually don't have because it is not meant for artists. I generally don't use it, but hard pencils are useful for the architects, designers and maybe engineers, because it gives very thin line, and technical drawings it is useful. So there are two groups of pencil and in between HB. So this is the basic knowledge of available pencils in the market is useful for us. Mostly all the pencil shading works are done with B group pencil because it gives softer and with better blackness. We can create proper depth with those pencils, and that is how we have to select our pencils. To practice with shading pencils, we can do some basic activity. Any art student, they have to do their classwork in this way. I'm giving this tips for those who are interested in the academic learning. So they can take this way of practice, that we can draw a few boxes with scale and pencil. You can draw square boxes like this, just for practice with B grade pencil, using their different darkness and softness. So we can do this way. This is an exercise in the fine art lesson, you can say. So here in the different boxes we can practice with different grades like this way, and definitely we have to actually control the pressure to create more and more grades. So we generally what we create at least 10 grades, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, one more box we can add, and at least 10 variety of grades if we practice, and that will help us in the shading work when we do a proper subject drawing or figure drawing, wherever we use our pencil. First we should learn to control our pencil and handle the darkness and softness about it. We can practice this way. So when we give less pressure, we can produce softer tone and lighter tone, and with the same pencil also, but there is a limit, like 4B can give this much of darkness, 6B can give this much of darkness. There's that kind of difference also. So we have to find out all those detail and all those capability of this drawing pencils through practice only. There is no other way beyond practice. I think it will be useful for you all who love drawing.